The difference between a winning trader and a losing trader is risk management, and that starts with picking the right lot size. In this video, I will explain what lot sizes are, how to calculate them, and how to choose the right fit for your account size. So, let's dive right in. What is lot size in Forex? A lot size is simply the number of units of currency you buy or sell in a trade. It determines how much you're risking and how much you can potentially earn. There are three main lot sizes in Forex. One is standard lot, which is equal 100,000 units, and it's most times written as one lot on your trading platforms. The next is mini lots, which is equals 10,000 units, which is written as 0.1 lot size in your trading platform. Then the last one is micro lots, which is equals 1,000 units and is written as 0.01 in your trading platform. How does lot size affect your trade? Your lot size controls your PEEP value, which means how much each price movement is going to determine your PEEP value. Example, Euro USD, which is equals 1 PEEP per value. So if you're risking a standard lot, for every 1 PEEP movement, you're risking $10. If you're risking a mini lot, which means for every 1 PEEP movement, you're risking $1. If you're risking a micro lot, it means for every 1 PEEP movement, you're risking 0.10, which is 10 cents. Example, you trade one standard lot of Euro USD at 1,1000 and price moves 10 pips in your favor. Profit equals 10 pips times $10. Remember, for every one standard lot move, that means that is worth $10. So 10 pip times $10, that equals $100, which means if price moves against you by 10 pips, you just lose $100. How to pick the right lot size for your account? Choosing the right lot size depends on 1. Your account balance. The larger your account, the bigger your position can be. 2. Your risk tolerance. Most traders risk 1 to 2% per trade. 3. Your stop loss. So these are the factors that determines what lot size you can pick that will be suitable for your account size. But as a general rule of thumb, you should only risk 1 to 2% of your account size on any trade. This is all you need to be a profitable trader. How to calculate lot size in Forex? The simple formula to use for this is lot size equals risk amounts divided by stop loss, which is in pips, times PEEP value. Here's an example. Let's say your account balance is $1,000 and you're risking 2%, that is $20 per trade, and your stop loss for that particular trade is 10 pips, right? And the PEEP value is for a mini lot is $1 per pip, and your lot size, and then the calculation is going to be lot size equals $20 times bracket 10 pips times $1 bracket equals 0.2 lot size or 2 mini lot size. So there you have it. That is how to calculate your lot sizes. Now, I know when you're trading, you don't have the luxury of having a pen and paper beside you and be calculating your lot size value using this formula, which is why we have different type of calculators online. If you don't want to calculate your lot sizes manually, these are some useful ones that you can use. So we have my FX book. My FX book has a position calculator, and then we have baby pips. You can go to this website to find them. Then MetaTrader 4 or 5, they always have a lot size or position size calculator. And then Xness, which is a broker I use, they have a inbuilt calculator, right? So you can find all of this in the description below. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more free trading content like this. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel to get chart analysis, weekly breakdowns and trading tips. We also have occasional Q&A sessions where I answer your questions. You can find the link in the description below. See you in the next video.